Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Watchhorn Range. Today I am stepping outside my lane a little bit, and I'm going to talk about something that frustrates me amongst my group of friends in their shooting. Talking about red dots on pistols, where to zero, and is 0-0. Well, most manufacturers say you should zero your pistol red dot at 25 yards. And a lot of people do that. It's a good thing. It covers a lot of ground. Now, the catch is most people, when they come out, they zero with their standard 115 grain full metal jacket. Then they carry 124 grain Speer gold dots. 0 for one isn't 0 for the other. You got two different grains, weights. Your hollow points are going a lot faster. So we're going to kind of cover that here. We got our point of aim. We got a couple mags of each to see where we're at and get a real zero in using our Glock 45 MOS and a Holosun 509T with, of course, our Streamlight weapon light on there. But we're going to do a little shooting and see if 0 is 0 from 25 yards. Hopefully I can hit it. We'll see. All right, we are backed up to exactly, oops, sorry, I got to step back here. We measured it off. We got 25 yards. Going to start out with the 115 grain. We've got our point of aim marked on the target. So now we'll take a few shots and see where we're at. It is extra windy today, and it is messing with me and the target, so bear with me here. One mag down. Let's go check and see where we're hitting. Predominantly high and to the right a little. I did pull one. It happens. I don't shoot enough, and I don't claim to be a phenomenal shot, so don't judge me for that. So I'm going to grab a marker. We'll mark these. Then we'll grab some of the Speer gold dots and see where they're hitting. And now, a full mag, a mag pull, 21 round mag of the 124 grain Speer gold dots. Same point of aim. All of the previous hits have a single vertical line through them instead of just circling them. That way I know they're all from the 115. 124 grains, 25 yards, Speer gold dots. Here we go. I think we just shot them all right in the same place. Now, everything with the vertical line through it was from the 115 grain. All the new ones are the Speer gold dots. And minus the few I pulled, they appear to have shot further high and right. Could just be me. Yeah. So my 0 is off totally. And I'm going to adjust it. I'll come back with some more gold dots and shoot again. I have made a couple adjustments. to try and bring it in. Since they were so close, I'm going to check it with the 115 grain. Then we'll verify with the 124s. That way we're not burning those up because they're expensive as hell. All right, trying it out. Let's take a look. Now you can see my grouping still sucks, but we have brought them back over to the left a little bit, and we got a few more in there. So we'll make another adjustment. I'll make a new point of aim down here just to get away from all that. We'll make a new point of aim and keep walking it in. Get it close on, as close as we can with the 115s. Switch over to the 124s to confirm because that's our carry ammo. We want to make sure we're zeroed to the carry ammo. That's always the end goal. All right, another adjustment made. Another mag. And we made a new point of aim on the target. See, the optic's still tight, right? Yeah, it's still tight. We're good. Another mag down. Let's go see how we did. Okay. Not a single one on the point of aim, but I'm dancing around it pretty good. So I'll go ahead and put a new target up. Yeah, put a new target up. Check with the 124 grain. The carry ammo, make sure it's within reason. And clearly, I need to spend more time shooting because this is pretty awful. Roast me in the comments on this because it's bad. We got a fresh target up, still at 25 yards. A new mag loaded with the 124 grain spear, gold dots. And hopefully I don't shoot as bad this time. Hopefully I'm close. That's all I want. I'm going to go ahead and say it right now. That was awful. Awful. I am ashamed of that. This I'm okay with. I can accept this. It's these. These are no good. Happy with that? Ashamed here. But I'd say my zero for this one is as good as it's going to get for what I can produce. Maybe if I had a rest or something, but you just don't do that for pistol shooting. I won't anyway. Anyway, goes to show that zero is not always zero. It might be close, but you want your zero to match your carry ammo. So always verify. Shooting from 25 yards isn't easy, but that's what manufacturers say to zero to. That's where we're at. So I'm going to get back to practicing. You guys get out of here. Quit watching this junk. It's awful. And I'll catch you next time after I get a lot more practice in. See you later.